Yes, today is the 3rd of November 2010, and happy trading to you all directly from the headquarters of the TSTW SYS08, the Unfair Advantage Trading System. Okay, right now, yesterday, we know that the Royal Bank of not Scotland, the Royal Bank of Australia, okay, the Royal Bank of Australia has increased the interest rate in Australia. This is why we have this bullish day yesterday. I'm right now on the 4 hour chart of the Australian yen, Australian dollar yen currency pair, Australian dollar yen currency pair on the 4 hour chart. That's what we have here. And if you look carefully on this chart here, okay, yesterday was this day here where I put my cursor. The news was given around midnight London time, and the price was just running away fast, fast, fast. This is the first candle that we had after the news that the interest rate has been risen in Australia. This is the first candle, this 4 hour here, the tall one here, okay? And I did a video to draw my Fibonacci line, and I was telling you that we are expecting this currency pair. If you pull back to the Fibonacci retracement level, we look for opportunity to buy. And I also tell you that because of the increase in the interest rate, this currency pair will have difficulty to come back down to touch those Fibonacci retracement level. Exactly that. The market was bullish the whole day because it was a major news. Okay. One thing you need to remember in this video, or promise to remember, is that do not forget important news. Sometimes there are some important news, like we have in the dollar yen currency pair, the intervention of the Japanese yen. If you have those major news, you have to mark it down, okay, on your chart, okay, highlight it, okay, and so you can remember all the time. This is on this is the Australian dollar yen currency pair this day, which I highlight again, is an important day because on this particular day, just to remind myself, to let myself remember clearly that this day, the Bank of Australia has increased the interest rate. So this day, the professional will highlight it, okay? What you need to do, very important, okay, as a professional trader or learning to trade like a pro, where you have important news, okay, intervention of the Fed, intervention of the ECB, intervention of the chairman of the Bank of England, intervention of the Japanese government, intervention of the Australian government, those important news like increase of rate or decrease of the rate or any intervention that is so important that has affected the market, you need to highlight it as I did right here. Okay, that's what the professional also are doing, and you must do exactly the same thing if you want to achieve consistent winning trade. Okay, so what we will do, we will draw the horizontal line to highlight that particular the range of that particular day, which I'm doing here. So this range is so important. Okay, so we're watching this white horizontal line up to this level here. The levels are 8101 up to 7956. So we are watching carefully here. We are on a 4 hour chart. Yesterday was very easy trade. Why was it easy to trade yesterday? Because the news was bullish news, okay? So the price failed to come back down to retest the Fibonacci level. So the bullish momentum continued nicely. As you can see here, it went up, okay? Now it's coming down. But it's still bullish because of the news. It's still in the mind of the majority of traders. The professional will not be busy selling the Australian dollar right now. So what we need to do is to focus on the bullish signals, okay, and stay away or approach the bearish signal with excellent caution, which means careful every time we receive a bearish signal regarding the Australian dollar. We need to be very careful because we know that the news is so important in this case. So we are more enthusiastic when we see a clear cut buying signal. Then that will be in the direction of the general sentiment of the market. That's the strategy we need to adopt towards this Australian dollar. It does not mean that we cannot sell. If we have a valid reason to sell, we will sell. But all the time when we are selling, we know that the interest rate has increased, so we need to trade that carefully. Okay, so we draw a line like this now, okay, on this chart. So what do we do next? Yesterday, why do I say it's an easy trade before we move forward? Is that we have this what we call the inverted head and shoulder pattern here, okay? Yeah, inverted head and shoulder. This is the head here yesterday. Okay, this is the shoulder here, this is another shoulder here. Another trader may say, oh no, this is the shoulder here. Okay, it doesn't matter. So we have inverted head and shoulder pattern nicely. You see right there, boom, up, easy trade. That's the way you want to do it all the time consistently. Okay, so today what do we see today on this chart? Okay, today what we see is that the price at a support level, okay, this horizontal line. What I will do again, I will draw another horizontal line there for you. Okay, this is how you will prepare for day trading using your TSTW24, the swing 240 trading, say the master key day trading system. Okay, and everything that yourself you know about trading. So this is where we are. I'll call at that where we are today, where I'm doing this video. I'll call at that my favorite color is yellow, so I'm putting that in yellow right now. Okay, so that's where we are. So it's a support level, the price just there now for this Australian dollar yen currency pair. It looks bullish right now, so we are more focusing for this currency pair. We see where this horizontal line, the orange, keep watching the yellow line, keep watching. You see how the price touching in Diva has touched it before in the past. Okay, this is where we are talking about. Okay, we keep watching, keep watching. See, it's touching now. This is another level. The price went below it, and by turn around above it, here again it went below it and went up. Okay, so we try to go into the past to analyze, okay, the psychology of the market for that particular zone. Okay, here. Okay, so that price level, the yellow line price level, is quite reliable. Okay, if we want to accept it that way. On the 4-hour chart, we are not on a daily chart, we are on the 4-hour chart right now. So on the 4-hour chart, this is what we can say about my yellow line right now. So because when we are day trading, we want to check the at least. If you don't want to go to the weekly chart, if you are too lazy to check the monthly chart, if you are too lazy like I was before in the past myself to check the weekly chart or the monthly chart or the daily chart, if you didn't want to bother at all like I was doing myself before stubbornly, okay, at least to the 4-hour chart. All right, so right now we are here, that's where we are, exactly there, you see nicely. Okay, so what do we do now? That's what we see on this. So it looks bullish. We know that the price has support level. So the only time we will be looking for opportunity to sell is when the price go below this yellow line. So this is our warning line. Before I close this video, what I want to say to you is that we draw the range for yesterday where important news has been released. We highlight that particular day. What I will do, I'll remove some of, no, I will stop. I'll leave it like this for now. Okay, now we highlight the day where the important news has been released, which is this zone carefully here. Okay, now what's the psychology of the market? What usually happen, okay, is that the market, because yesterday we have a new high here, you see this high here, the market that particular they display a high. This high, if the new is a bullish new. Now I need to say this clearly, and you need to pay attention to that. Now if you have a major news, okay, and the major news is bullish, I'll start again. When you have a major news and the major news is bullish, okay, you draw the range of that particular day like I did here. Okay, but the point you need to look at carefully is the high of that day, because it's a bullish, so we are watching the high. Okay, so if the price cross above the high and find a support above the high in the direction of the sentiment of the major news, the price has a high probability to continue in the movement to the upside. Okay, now but if the price, even though the intervention or the major news is bullish, the price come to the high and fail to find a support, we have a valid reason to sell. This is what you need to remember here. Okay, on the other hand, if the major news or the intervention is a bearish, okay, repeat, if the intervention or the major news is bearish, we will draw again the range, the high and the low. And the key point that we need to watch is the low, because it's bearish intervention or bearish news. We watch the low. The market, in most cases, will seek the low if the news is bearish, and the market will seek the high if the news is bullish. So today, my projection for this Australian dollar yen is that, just to check my news with you too quickly, my time with you too, I'm doing okay, very well. The tendency of the market is to seek the high because the news was bullish. So this is the high you have to watch. The market will try to retest and see whether the market sentiment remain intact or not. Okay, this is about the psychology of the market. Okay, and in order to cream the market consistently, you must understand, okay, the language of the market, I talked to before about the language of the price, okay, which is different from the language of the market. When we are talking about the language of the market, we are talking more about the sentiment of the market, the psychology of the market, okay? So just pay attention to that. So what I will put here is to draw my arrow what we will prefer because the new was bullish, so the market will be likely to come and retest the high of yesterday, where which the new was released. If it cross above it and find a support, the movement will continue nicely. But if it fell, ladies and gentlemen, which I believe it will fail because we should be selling the Australian dollar, that's my personal view. Okay, I believe we will fail here. We will see whether it will fail, but we do not take anything for granted. If it fell, then the movement will come down. Okay, but today there is a high probability that we may have a bullish day. That remains to be seen using the TSTW24, the master key day trading system, especially the master key day trading system, to compete with the best trader out there. We will cream the market whichever way the market is going. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.